the subject of HRM. So we are in the unit 3, that is developing human resources. So in this unit, we are going to study regarding what you mean training and development and different training and retraining and assessing training needs and different training programs and different methods of training and even career planning. Okay, so these are the topics that we are covering in unit 3. So now the first topic is training and development. So, why the training and development is needed for any organization? So, these two things, that is, training and development, plays a very important role in each and every organization. Why? Maybe the question is why? Because suppose if you are a fresher, yes, we can understand that we don't have any practical exposure. So that is the reason the organization or the institution or the company is providing a training. But even for the experienced persons, in some scenarios, the company or the organization is giving a training programs because there are a lot of changes that are happening in the external market. So maybe it is with the help of like technological factors or social factors or political factors or whatever it may be. So depending on that changing factors, each and every organization is giving a training programs to the freshers or even the experienced person. It completely depends upon the perception or maybe like you can say the situation. Okay. So training and development plays a very important role in positioning a company's success where the company should be. If we have a very talented employees, very skilled employees, yes, obviously then we can attain a success. We can reach a goal, right? So the wake of the advancement of technology has resulted in tight competition, that is tough competition, and a rise in customers' expectation of quality and service at lower cost. Ok, just now we have discussed there are so many change, that is external factors that are affecting. So maybe it is a competition. So there is a tough competition in the market to give a to face it competition. So what we have to do? So we have to give training and development programs. We have to add new features to your products. We have to give a best customer service to the customers, right? So they are expecting more qualitative products with low price. Okay. So all around, what is our agenda? To satisfy the customer. It is becoming more important globally to prepare workers for new jobs. Right. So I cannot stick to only one particular job. I cannot stick to only one particular organization on one new on a particular position. No, we have to improve our skills depending on the job positions. We have to improve our skills depending on our various job varieties. Then only you can survive in the market. Then only you are necessary for the particular organization. If you do the same work for the 10 years, then you are not treated as an asset, right? So workers for new jobs. So here we are saying the same thing. So a program of upgrading of employee skills. Why the training is provided? To upgrade your skills, to improve your skills. Okay. So what is not there? To learn the things, continuous learning. Knowledge and competence is also known as training. So why we have to learn new thing? Because to give it competition. So if you're not learning, obviously you'll not be in the market for the long run. So the job related training is often provided to the employee to ensure they can well perform on the assigned task and contribute to the success of the organization. So there are different types of training methods that are given to the employee. If any task has been given, then how to complete that task within a time period with a good output, then at that particular time training is needed. So there are like off the job training and on the job training methods. So depending on the structure, depending on the task, depending on the system, depending on the method, so the company or the organization will adopt any of these two methods. Maybe it is on the job or maybe it is off the job. Okay. So training and development in HRM are the two different activities which goes hand in hand for the overall betterment of the employee. So if you have been given training, so obviously there is a development. Okay, so in the perspective of there is a development in your career and there is a development for the organization. So training and development are a combined two terms that go in hand by hand. Okay.